Hi guys, greetings of the day. Myself Raghavendra. Today we are going with a circular lamina problem. Draw the projections of a circular plate of negligible thickness of 50 mm diameter resting on HP on a point capital A on the circumference with its plane inclined at 45° to HP and the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point makes 60° with VP. So circular plate of 50 mm diameter resting on HP on a point capital A on the circumference. Plane is inclined at an angle of 45° to HP, that is theta is equal to 45°. The top view of the diameter passing through the resting point, that makes an angle of 60° with respect to VP, that is phi is equal to 60°. So as it is a top view of the diameter, this is a non-locus problem. Draw a horizontal line. Name it as XY VP HP. Manually, how to construct a circle means take a radius, diameter is 50 mm means radius is half of this one, that is 25 mm is the radius. Anywhere below the XY line, because it is resting on HP, means anywhere below the XY line as center, construct a circle of radius 25 mm. That circle should not cross XY line. So anywhere below the XY line as center, the radius will be 25 mm. If you give the dimension, this should be diameter should be 50 mm. Now this is not a hard surfaces, or this is not made up of a hard surfaces. So here we don't have the corners on the circumference of a circle. So it is just a point on the circumference of a circle. Then we have to divide this circle into equal parts. So how many equal parts we will divide, that much neatly it will come in the final stage. So usually divide with respect to in terms of 4. That is either it may be 4, 8, 12 like that. So if you divide too much also, it is very difficult. So usually we will divide a circle into 8 equal parts. So circle is nothing but 360°. 8 equal parts is nothing but 45° each. So from the center, draw horizontal line till this one, vertical line till this one. So 90°. Then divided by 2 is 45°. So 25 mm is the radius, that is length, angle is 45°. Now extend these points, extend the lines, this side, and this side also. Similarly, this side also we have to divide. So else 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is over. So to make it from the center, this side also 25 mm is the length, 135° is the angle. Extend that one also. Now it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts we got. The dimension is 50 mm. As it is resting on HP on a point capital A on the circumference, this point should be the A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. From each point, project the line to the XY. A to the XY, B and H are on the same line to the XY. C and G already it is on the same line. D and F are on the same line till XY line. Similarly, from E to the XY. Join these endpoints with the thick line. A dash, B, C, D are visible, H, G, F are invisible. B dash in the bracket H dash, C dash in the bracket Z dash, D dash in the bracket F dash, finally it is A dash. Show the arrow marks. Now for the second position, he has given plane is making an angle of 45 degree with respect to HP. Means this line A dash has to make an angle of 45 degree with respect to X value. Angle will be 45 degree. This is A dash, E dash. Still we have to get 3 more points. That is B dash in the bracket H dash, C dash in the bracket Z dash, and D dash in the bracket F dash. C dash in the bracket Z dash, it is the midpoint of this line. To get B dash in the bracket H dash and D dash in the bracket F dash, the dimensions are 7.32. Same, this side also same thing, 7.32 only, 7.32 mm. No. A dash as center, 7.32 mm as radius, cut an arc. E dash as center, same 7.32 mm as radius, draw another arc. This will give us B dash in the bracket H dash and D dash in the bracket F dash, whereas C dash in the bracket Z dash is the midpoint. Project from each point. Project horizontally. H and F are on the same line. A and E are on the same line. B and D are on the same line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So next, once we get H, once we get all the 8 points, we have to join these 8 points, not with the help of line. In previous problems, either it may be a triangle or it may be the square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon. We are using the lines, but it is a curve. We can't use the lines. Manually also we should not use a straight line or scale. Free-handedly we have to join these points. Free-handedly we have to join, and we have to make sure that it comes as an ellipse. So here curve, while doing manually, join these end points by free-handedly. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, back to E. So like this, free-handedly we have to draw. Don't use the scale or don't draw a straight line between that one. Free-handedly you have to draw the arc. So show the arrow marks. This angle will be 45 degrees. This completes the second position. For the third position, he has given top view of the diameter passing through the resting point. Resting point is A. From A, the diameter passing through is A. So the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point, this is the A. So directly he has given the apparent length or apparent diameter. It is making an angle of 60 degree with respect to VP. So this is a non-locus problem. First draw a 60 degree line. So this angle should be 60 degree. Copy this AE on this one because this is making an angle of 60 degree. So AE length is 35.36. AE length is 35.36. So copy this one on this 60 degree line. Anywhere on this line as center, cut an arc of 35.36 mm. So this is E. The center will be the A. Center will be the E. And still we have to get another 6 points. To get this another 6 point, we have to draw this boundary only. That is line joining HB, line joining GC, line joining GD. All these three lines are perpendicular to AE. To draw that one, the line joining CG, it is from the center of this AE. It is from the center of this AE. Whereas line joining HB from A, line joining DF from E, we have to see that one. There is this distance. .18 mm, same as this one also. This is also 5.18 mm only. 5.18 mm only. Oh, this point as center, 5.18 mm as radius, cut an arc. Similarly, the center as center, 5.18 mm as radius, cut another arc. Now from these points, draw the line perpendicular to AE for a length of this much, 17.68 mm. Both side it is same, 17.68 mm only. So from these end points, a line perpendicular to AE, that is 17.68 mm. We can observe this angle should be 90 degree perpendicular. Similarly, this side also 17.68 mm. Now from this end point also 17.68 mm. Opposite side 17.68 mm. Now we got another 4 point. So 6 points we got. Now we have to get CG also. To get CG, it is exactly at the midpoint of A. So that distance is 17.68 mm. From E, 17.68 mm. Draw an arc. Now from this end point also we have to draw the line perpendicular to AE. The distance is this much, that is 25, because this is a 50 mm diameter circle, that is reduced to 25. Same opposite side also. So this is B, C, D, F, G, and H. Once again, here also free-handedly we have to join these end points with the help of curve. So free-handed curve we have to use while drawing manually. It should look like an ellipse. Once this is over, projecting the points. First we'll project horizontally from these points. So A is here. A dash it is on XY line till the XY line. B and H till this line. From B to this line. Similarly, S to this line. C and G till this line. C to this line. Similarly, from G to this line. Next, D and F are till this line. D to this line. F to this line. whereas A is on E8 is on this line till that line. A dash, E dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, F dash, G dash, H dash. Join all these endpoints once again free-handedly while drawing manually. So free-handed curve we have to use to join those endpoints. And I will try. If this is the problem, so like this you have to get it. Free-handedly you have to join all the endpoints. Show the arrow marks. The lines are not overlapping, but it looks like that. So this completes the problem. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.